Okay, Tech, how's it going?
Fine, and you?
Okay, how are we looking? Okay, are you guys ready?
Now we're seeking the wind goes.
Aerodynamics, excellent.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Hey, mine actually.
I think that needs a little bit more work. Thanks, guys. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, checking up on Academy. Growth, are you ready? Okay.
Man, what are you doing? Stand back, stand back, stand back. Then go, sir.
Okay, I don't think we're exactly ready here. Let's check in with media.
Where's media?
Here we are.
There they are.
Okay, I've got feedback from the other companies. They're going to need a little bit more time.
Thanks, Marco, for the feedback. In preparing for 2023, let's see how we can wrap it up. TK, in terms of a strategy, what is your suggestion?
I think, Shell, the teams have been really hard at work. If I just quickly refer to the flip chart, this is our Kingdom organizational plan. Obviously, we've got a massive amount of information, we've got files. The entities have been working day and night, and some actually work through December. So there's a massive amount of work, and I think that's imperative for the success of 2023.
Thank you. Scott?
Well, I think leaves us no choice. Let's announce, let's move the dates forward in order to give us time to finalize and wrap up the flight plan for 2022. And let us onboard and take off the new in 2023. I think let's look at the new dates for the members meetings. The new date for the LIW and MEC that's in Gauteng is the 10th, 11th of March. And I think in Cape Town, 7 to 18 of March. Can we all sign off on these dates?
Sign off?
Yes.
Yeah, great.
Thank you very much.
I'm really looking forward to wrapping up 2022's flight plan, landing the plane, and preparing for takeoff for 2023.
Yes, let's do this.
Thank you.
Thank you.